Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lift it. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the one thing that you guys didn't know that existed for this M18 vacuum. A lot of you don't know about this. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. I've been using the heck out of this vacuum. Been using it a lot on my projects here at the house. And one thing you guys didn't know existed, if you guys let us know in the comment section if you guys knew what this is. This is the 3-pack fleece dust bags. These are very rare. A lot of you don't know about these because they do not sell these at the store. You do have to go online and get it at the depot. You got item number 49902016. So that is that's the item number, and it is compatible with the 0960-20 and the 0970-20. This is the 0970-20. So this is the Packout vacuum. It is compatible with the M12 and the Packout. And what that does, it prevents you from buying filters and from basically cleaning a mess. That's what this is. I don't want to know what, but I'll show you guys a sneak peek of what I have in here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lift it. Look at all that dust and grime on the filter. Look at that. All that stuff. Alright, so it doesn't look not as bad, but it is going to be a headache trying to clean this. These on there, however, all you have to do is remove the bag and you're done with it. I'm going to go ahead and clean this vacuum out. Alright, that's what it looks like. There's still a little bit of dirt in there. I really do have to say it was hard getting all that dust that was in there. There were layers and layers of dust. A lot of dust in there. And it was hard to get that out. Alright, so this is what this looks like. It's still a little dirty, but it's cleaner than what it was. We're going to take these out and look at them, see how well they do. And by the way, there's a pack of 3 in there. So, alright, so this is the bag itself. It does have that specialty designed head there, and well, that's the way that it's designed. So it's designed specifically for the Milwaukee vacuum. So what you do on these is you basically just take it and just put it to these tabs. It does have some tabs. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have some tabs right there on the sides. So all you do is just put it in there and then just, alright. So that's basically what it looks when you sit it on there. It does have to hit all the way to the front there, and these 2 tabs have to go in, and it does have a rubber gasket here for the tube that the vacuum has, and then you're ready to rock and roll basically. And this is how the bag looks like when it's laid. Alright, we got our vacuum. So that's what it looks like. So if you guys do see, it does have that pipe that's going to go in there. You guys see that? It's going to go in there like so. And it should seal perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. Alright, we got a battery. Alright, so we're going to take it off. Alright, we took that off. Let's set that on the side here. Alright, so let's see how many pieces of rice is in the outside. I do not see any. I do see some dust, obviously, because it did have some dust already in there from before. No pieces of rice. But look at all the rice that's in there. It's all on the bag. It's all in the bag. So guys, this definitely does work. It's not going to be 100% proof, but it will save you from cleaning those filters. It will save you from cleaning all this mess. Definitely check it out. I do recommend this for you guys. I haven't seen a lot of videos out there about this. So definitely recommend these bags for you guys. These vacuums, they are well built. They're very strong. They do handle. I've dropped this thing. I've used it with dust. I've used it with dirt, debris. This thing's been covered with dirt. And it's still been working fine. I really like it. But this is a plus, guys. It's going to prevent you from deep cleaning this vacuum. And, you know, saving all that time on cleanup, basically. Guys, just wanted to show you guys this feature, this hidden feature about this vacuum. Or these two vacuums, actually, because it's good for the M12 too. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.